Hello, my name is Antonio Ortega, and this is my presentation on Science Standard ESS2D Weather and Climate for third grade. What is weather? Weather is a state of the atmosphere at a place and time as regards to its heat, dryness, sunshine, wind, rain, and other factors. Weather can change from day to day and even hour to hour. As we can see here with the forecast of our town, we see that we have weather from today to next Monday. But thanks to advancements, we can even look at what the weather is going to be like hour to hour. Weather is not always consistent, even with the forecast like the ones we have here. The weather that is predicted may not be completely accurate. When we want to predict the weather based on location, that requires a different word and understanding. Here are the different types of weather. There is sunny, cloudy, rain, snow, lightning storm, and wind. Each of these icons will normally be seen in the forecast. Climate. Climate is the weather conditions prevailing in an area in general or over a long period of time. Climate is what the weather conditions and environments look like in an area after many years. We can predict how the area is going to be based on the past. It takes a long time to figure out the climate is of an area is. This climate map can tell us what type of climate we can expect if we were to go there right now. For example, we live in a desert, so we have a dry climate. But we want to visit, say, Alaska, we better pack a jacket, as more than likely we are to visit is going to be a cold climate or a polar climate. There are 5 major climate types: polar, continental, temperate, tropical, and dry. In the polar climate, or in the very light blue, we expect the weather there to be really, really cold nearly any time of the year we visit. In a continental climate, which is in purple, we can find a relatively dry climate with very hot summers and very cold winters. In a temperate climate, which we see in the green, we can expect mild temperature changes throughout the year. In a dry climate, we can see hot days and cool nights with not a lot of rainfall, and this we can see in the yellow. And lastly, in a tropical climate, here in the red, we have relatively warm days with plenty of rainfall depending on the season. Influencers. What influences our weather and climate? And no, it's not the people on YouTube or who you follow on social media. I'm talking about the ocean and the sun. They are the two biggest influencers on day-to-day weather and year-over-year climate. The ocean. It absorbs and stores large amounts of energy from the sun and releases it very slowly in the way that ocean moderates and stabilizes global climates. The ocean has more of an impact on our weather than almost any other thing that affects our planet. The sun. The sun provides heat to our planet, but it also, depending on which part is exposed to the sun and how close it is to the sun and how high it is on our Earth, can determine whether we have warmer temperature or cooler temperature. Thank you.